Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reconfigure V380 Pro, full guide. Start by powering the camera and connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. I'll walk you through app installation, account creation, and local pairing steps in simple terms. We'll cover QR scanning, manual AP mode, and firmware checks to avoid common pitfalls. I'll also show how to set motion zones and notifications so your camera alerts you exactly when it matters. Let's dive into network tricks that keep your V380 Pro stable and accessible. I'll explain static IP assignment, UPnP versus manual port forwarding, and why 4 GHz matters for range. You'll learn how to test signal strength and reposition the camera for clearer video and fewer dropouts. I'll also include simple firewall checks to help remote viewing work smoothly without exposing your whole network to risk. Now we'll customize the camera settings so it fits your routine and storage limits. I'll show how to lower resolution to save bandwidth or raise it for clearer footage, and how frame rate impacts motion clarity. We'll tune motion detection sensitivity and paint activity zones to cut false alarms. Finally, I'll explain recording schedules versus continuous recording so you only keep what's important and save space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.